Hello, students. Welcome to Saurav's classes. This is another question from TIFR 2026 True False Fiction. Okay. So question क्या दिया गया है हम लोग देखेंगे. This is so easy question. Okay. So let's try. Given that A, B linear endomorphism of a finite dimensional vector space over a field. If A and B are diagonalizable, then AB is also diagonalizable. Listen, एग्जाम में कोई क्वेश्चन हम लोग थ्योरी बेस्ड सॉल्व करेंगे, ऑब्वियसली वो करेक्ट है, बट कुछ कुछ क्वेश्चन के लिए हम लोग को एग्जाम्पल जानना जरूरी पड़ता है बिकॉज दैट विल टेक लेस टाइम. ये आपको एग्जाम में टाइम बचाएगा. सो इस क्वेश्चन को देख लीजिए, ये क्वेश्चन हम एग्जाम्पल से सॉल्व करेंगे. सो देखिएगा कितना जल्दी से ये सॉल्व हो जाएगा. सो गिवन दैट ए एंड बी आर टू लीनियर एंडोमॉर्फिज्म, दैट मीन्स अ लीनियर ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन. हम लोग यहाँ पर पकड़ लेते हैं कि ए एंड बी आर देयर मैट्रिक्स रिप्रेजेंटेशन. ओके. सो given that A and B are diagonalizable. So let let A is matrix representation like 1 1 0 0 0, and B is 0 1 1 0. Okay. So here from this A, it has two diagonal elements. That means the eigenvalues are 0 and 1. And as A is a 2 cross 2 matrix and it has two distinct eigenvalues, so A is diagonalizable. Okay. Similarly, B is also 2 cross 2 matrix and its characteristic polynomial is x square minus 1 equals to 0, which will gives x equals to plus minus 1. That means the eigenvalues are 1 and minus 1, which is also two distinct eigenvalues. The as matrix are 2 cross 2, yes, B is also diagonalizable. Okay, so A is diagonalizable and B is diagonalizable. Now we have to check whether AB is diagonalizable or not. So check AB. Let me separate this. So A, B, as multiply the matrix multiplication rule 1 0 0 0 and then 0 1 1 0, which gives 0 1 0 0. So we get AB is 0 1 0 0. And ये क्या है? This is nothing but a non-zero nilpotent matrix. It is a non-zero nilpotent matrix because when you try to AB square, this will get 0. So yes, this is a non-zero nilpotent matrix with index 2. And we know that every non-zero nilpotent matrix, nilpotent, I just write the statement, nilpotent matrix never diagonalizable. Why? Because हम लोग जानते हैं कि if a matrix diagonalizable only if its minimal polynomial can be written as a distinct linear factor. So here the only eigenvalue is 0. So its minimal polynomial should be like x, but x is not implies 0, so it should be x squared. That means we cannot write minimal polynomial as a distinct form in distinct linear form. That's why every non-zero nilpotent matrix is non-diagonalizable. So here AB is not diagonalizable. So we see that A is diagonalizable, B is diagonalizable, but AB is not diagonalizable. So the statement is false. So here you see that how a simple example took a very less time to decide whether the statement is true or false. Okay, this is the false statement. Thank you.